Welcome folks to another edition of K Cooking. Today I am going to show you something very healthy and to beat the corona, to build up immunity during this situation. This is made out of neem flowers. Neem flowers we all know is very good for the immunity, building the immunity system. So this is a small preparation made out of neem flower. Then you have curry leaves. Curry leaves also has its own medicinal values. Then you have jaggery and tamarind, which actually aids in sore throats and any throat related infections. And even mustard is there. Mustard also helps in removing certain toxicities in the air. Okay, so I'll just give you an overview of all the ingredients that are there. So we have the neem flour. Then this is dried Guntur red chilies. Then this is again sun-dried green chilies dipped in yogurt. So regarding this goes for something different. I'll give you a trivia about that. Then we have jaggery. Then this is the curry leaves finely chopped. And this is the tamarind, where I have soaked this tamarind and made it into a paste kind of a thing here. And some mustard seeds and a little bit of cumin seeds or jeera. Now this is the green gram. So since it's summer, we are using green gram for this preparation. Green gram actually helps you cool down your system. Otherwise you can use tur dal also. So this is a little bit of oil which we need for the preparation. Now let's come to the cooking gas and we will start preparing with all the ingredients. So just let's take about 2 or 3 spoons of oil. Once the oil is properly hot, now this we are going to fry the yogurt dipped chilies. This is actually not for this particular curry. This is for a different curry, which I'll explain to you a little later. Let's roast this, and we will keep this aside. Right now it will be slightly soft, but once it cools down, it will become slightly crispy. So that can be used for as a different accompaniment, or you can mix it with rice, which I will explain to you a little later. So I'll allow it to cool. Now this is the neem flour. This neem flour is actually mixed with chilies and curds and then sun-dried. So this neem flour can be actually stored for close to 2 years, and you don't have to refrigerate it. It can be kept in a dark place, in a cupboard. So with the remaining oil, you don't need to add some more oil for this. With the remaining oil, you can take this and fry it and set this aside. Now to start preparing the curry. 2 teaspoons of oil, vegetable oil. It can be groundnut oil, sunflower oil, oil of your choice, mustard oil, oil of your choice you can use. And now I'll be using mustard and cumin seeds. Once the oil is hot, properly hot, as soon as we put the seeds, it should start, that sound should start crackling. Now we add the curry leaves. And then the red chilies. Now these red chilies, don't be alarmed by looking at the quantities, because red chilies is not really very fiery hot. You need quite an amount to get you going there. And then to this I will add the tamarind extract. Now once this comes, the tamarind juice comes to a boil, you can add the salt and the jaggery. Jaggery is a sweetener which is not a refined product. It has fiber in it. So basically that is very healthy compared to sugar. Not even compared to sugar, this is healthy by itself. Now we'll add the green gram. This is boiled and then ground green gram. So like we said, you can use tur dal for this or green gram. Like I said, since it's summer, we are going for green gram. So it will cool you down. You can actually rinse this and remove that little extra green gram that will go waste. Not required to waste precious ingredients. And you can bring this to a boil. Now after it comes to a boil, you can transfer this to a bowl, your serving bowl. And then you can add the leaf, the flour, sorry. This is the neem flour. You can add this and mix it. Yeah, now this is done. This can be mixed with rice. You can have your Sona Masuri rice, mix the rice with some ghee and pour this over and mix it, and you can have that. Now this is something which I had told you is that you have the neem flour and the chili. So what you can do is you can just take a plain rice and on the plain rice add some little bit of salt and ghee, and with that you can actually mix this. You can see how this crumbles. This crumbles. So you can actually crumble. So like I had told you, this crumbles down. So it was soft then, and now you can see this just becomes a powder. So you can take this, mix it with this, and then you can put it on rice, add a little bit of lime, salt and ghee, and mix it with that and have it as a separate dish by itself. So if you see, with this you can create two dishes. One is, it will be kind of a dry dish, and this will be like a gravy that you can mix it with rice. So I just come back and tell you, this, when you taste this, this will have a multitude of taste. It will have a little bit of tanginess because of the tamarind, and it will slightly spicy because of the chili, and not too overpowering, but then the right amount of sweet will be there. So folks, enjoy a healthy lunch with this Vempu Pachadi. Now do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Kindly press the bell icon when you subscribe so that you can receive notifications of our future healthy recipes. Thank you.